What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and today we are going for a 3-day trip. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. Our trail started just outside a little town called FilmForth, Michigan. We travel northwest through the Cadillac State and Manistee National Forest area. Because our trip was in the middle of July, the trails were dry and dusty. We had to keep our distance so we don't get into an accident with each other. Our goal for this leg was to get to Michigan and have lunch at a bar called Bucksmoke.
Oh.
Watch sort of separating his beard. How was it, Corey? You got cheese string. Good.
One of these years, let you come down, roll around, get your burger.
Everybody orders a burger, except me. I got the special Alaskan.
Matches your personality.
Special? I thought you were gonna say fishy.
Why not both?
After lunch, we continue on to search for a perfect camping site for our first night. But we made an extra stop just to enjoy the view of Lake Michigan.
Like almost there, so that when I have everything out, I can easily just put it in its place over here.
Alright guys, so we got to the campsite. I got dinner duty tonight. I got brats ready, it's cooking right now. And I got the condiments, onion, mushrooms, and as soon as this brown a bit, I got a bag of chopped peppers, yellow, red, and green. Salt and pepper, that's all you need. So it's gonna be good. I got buns, I got chips for everybody, and then I don't know if you can see it, that's my camping setup for tonight, ground tent. So I got my Jackery is charging with the solar panel, so loving it. I get to use all my tools. I get to use my new stove that I got for Christmas, but yeah, we're just relaxing right now, and when this done, we're gonna go eat. Everybody's over there. Josh is behind the camera. Trash Panda.